Big story we're following as the execution date approaches for Richard Glossip. He may have an unprecedented chance at a final plea in court.
The Attorney General has set Glossip's execution date for September 22nd. News 9's Felice Romero joins us live with an update on the potential new hearing. Felice?
You'll remember his attorney filed to get an evidentiary hearing last month. Now a judge is scheduling a briefing to hear new evidence and hear from the Attorney General. After exhausting all his court appeals and an execution date set by the Attorney General, death row inmate Richard Glossip has another chance to argue his innocence.
Rich is hopeful. He has to be hopeful. Right now, he's facing his 4th execution date.
Glossip is accused of ordering Justin Sneed to murder his former boss, Barry Van Treese, at an Oklahoma City motel.
We have the Justin Sneed who's talking to the police and giving them every single thing that they want. On the other hand, we have the Justin Sneed who spends time in the county jail and then when he's in prison after that, talking to his friends and telling the real story.
The state didn't have enough evidence, I didn't think, to be able to put a man behind bars, much less put him on death row.
The Court of Appeals setting a briefing to hear new evidence from Glossip's defense team and the Attorney General. His attorney, Don Knight, pointing to the findings of a recent independent investigation.
They concluded that if a jury saw all the evidence that we now have, they would not find Mr. Glossip guilty.
The jury before didn't get to see everything I get to see. So if they would see everything I've seen, I think they'd say he's innocent.
We reached out to the Attorney General. He says our office is aware of the order of the court. We cannot comment on pending or active litigation.
We also have about 37 affidavits that we have filed with expert witnesses and also lay witnesses that give an entirely different story about what happened at the Best Budget Inn.
The Attorney General has to respond by August 11th, and then Glossip's attorney will have 10 days after that to counter. Felice Romero, Oklahoma Zone, News 9.